Today our topic is about Euclids postulates. There are 5 postulates, and the first one is that if we take any 2 points, we know that we can draw infinite lines through any point like this, and we can draw infinite lines through some other point, that is this. The postulate says that if we take 2 points, then there would be some common line passing through both the points. That is, there when we take any 2 points, there must be a line connecting them, which will always be a straight line. The statement of the postulate is given as a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. This is the statement of the first postulate of Euclid. And the second Euclid's postulate is that a terminated line can be reduced indefinitely. That means if we take a line which is terminated, a terminated line means a line segment, it can be produced as much as we want on the both sides. A terminated line can be produced as long as we want on both sides, or infinitely, or it can be produced infinitely on both the sides. Now the third postulate is that we can take any radius, and we can take any center. We can take any radius and we can take any. If we take this O point, if we take some radius R, that is this, and we can draw a circle. Take any point as center of the circle, and we can take any radius as we want and make a circle. Now the fourth postulate, I have already said in the last video that if we take 2 right angles, this is first right angle A, B and C. If this is right angle, its measure is always 90 degree. And if we take another right angle, if this is PQR, this is also 90 degree as it is a right angle. We can say that angle ABC is equal to angle PQR, as these both angles are equal to 90 degree. For fifth postulate, we have to know 2 things. That is, if we take any 2 lines, if this is line L and this is line M, if there are 2 lines L and M, if a line intersects both these lines, that line can be called as the transversal of L and M. This line, if taken, the fifth postulate states that if sum of 2 angles on one side of the transversal is less than 90 degree, if sum of these 2 angles is less than 180 degree, then these lines, if produced on this side, will meet, not on this side. In this side they will be diverging, and in this side they will be converging.